In this video, we will demonstrate how to download the Verifone SMS tools such as Report Navigator, Site Transaction Manager, and the Import-Export tool. Let's start at verifone.cloud. Click on Petroleum, and then Commander Release Highlights. Notice that the latest release highlights are available on the right, but that is a subject for a different video. Click on this link that says Commander Utilities, and then Overview. On the right, you have descriptions of the Report Navigator, Transaction Manager, and Import-Export tools, along with some linked videos about these tools. To download these tools, click on the SMS Installers link on the left. Now, in order to download these tools, click each of the blue links. Here is the SMS installation version 3.0. This link will download the Import-Export tool. Next, we want to navigate to the folder that the browser uses for downloads. We want to extract each of these files. Next, run the installer for each utility, starting with the Site Management Tool Setup. Click Next. Read and understand the agreement, and if you agree, click Next. Choose which tools you want to install, in this case, Report Navigator and Transaction Manager. So click Next, verify the details, and choose Install. Let's move next to the Import-Export utility setup. If you are prompted for user account control, choose Yes. Then click Next. Again, agree to the software license and install. Notice that the shortcuts for the tool are now on your desktop. Click on the shortcut to open any tool. Notice that when Report Navigator is opened for the first time, it will ask if this is a new installation. If so, click Yes. If you are upgrading from an older 2X version, click No. If you are not sure, click Cancel and contact the Verifone Help Desk for guidance. Yes, this is a new, fresh install. Notice that you are prompted to log in with the correct IP address for the commander, along with your credentials. Let's next click on Transaction Manager. Again, the utility opens with a login box showing the commander's IP address and the credentials used to log in. Details about Transaction Manager are covered in a separate video. Let's click on Import-Export Utility. You are again prompted for the IP address of the commander, and then the login credentials to log in and use the Import-Export utility. Details about the Import-Export utility are covered in a separate video. This concludes this video on downloading the SMS tools. Thanks for watching.